Hey there, everybody. My name's Andrea. I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I've been licensed for a little over 12 years now, and I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys how I do my balayage from home. So as you can see, I'm also writing in some tips here, but I figured I'd just try to explain it a little bit. Sectioning is super important. You really want to map out where you want to see the brightness in your hair. That's if you're doing blonde. If you're doing a different color, same thing. You really want to map out where you want that color. It's super important when you're applying to not oversaturate your roots. You definitely want there to be enough product from the middle of your hair to the ends. I don't need to apply it to my ends because my hair is already super blonde. But I think you get what I'm saying. Backcombing is super helpful because it just kind of gives your hair a barrier between the bleach and the roots to stop the bleach from creeping up too far. That will reduce the risk of bleeding or hot spots, all that fun stuff. Just kidding, it's not fun at all. So yeah, right there, it creeps. Make sure you're back combing. Less is more, start with a little bit, especially if you're new to balayaging. You don't want to just slap the product. It's not going to turn out good. Just start out with a little bit, make sure it's even from roots to ends, and you should be pretty safe if you're not overdoing it. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue in this video going around pretty much just the front of my face mostly and the top of my head. I actually grab a couple sections from the back, pull them forward, and apply the bleach that way so I can see what I'm doing. I just look at them roots. They had to go. Yes, and always take your time. Always make sure you're taking your time. It's super important. Do not rush through the process. Like I said, I'm a professional and, even I have to really take my time. So now we wait. I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. Toner is your bestie, you guys. Do not forget your toner or your product before applying heat. And there we are. Hey girl, hey. What you guys think? Let me know in the comments.